Hi my friends, welcome to Rasoi Elisa's kitchen. Today in my video, I am not showing any recipe. It's a very day-to-day need, what I think every lady, every working woman, and that is the cleaning of a gas stove. Okay, and it is like so much of grease and dirt, and then we feel like how we will clean it. For that thing, when you are feeling like that, or when you are facing these type of problems, for that I am here with what I use in my home. But it's not like I use frequently, because normally I clean my gas stove in a daily basis. But just to show you how this works, I have not cleaned my gas stove top from past 4 to 5 days, and I have not touched it. I have not done any cleaning of that, so that you can see what was the situation before and after cleaning, what is the result. So it will be easier for you to understand, and if you really think that this video actually had helped you out in any way, then do share my channel, do subscribe if you have not subscribed, and please like and comment below that have you ever used this way, or after seeing this video are you planning to do this way. Okay friends, this is the present situation of my gas stove. As you can see, I have not touched it. I have not done anything with this gas stove from past 4 to 5 days. I am not doing anything with this. See, the food particles and everything is there as such. Friends, first I will be removing these things, and I will be putting these with the burner in hot water. Okay, first I will be filling with the normal water, and then I will be adding hot water to this. Okay friends, I have added the normal water, then I will be adding hot water to this. Adding baking soda. The normal baking soda what you used for cooking and all, you can use the same one. So I will be using one, if you can see, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is vinegar. And I will be adding a little bit of dishwashing gel. Okay friends, and now I will mix it. As it's hot, so I will to this mixture I'm just putting this. Okay, first for some time this area will be cleaning, and then I'll change it. And similarly I will be putting the burners also, and I will let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Like this, let this soak for 15 to 20 minutes. So friends, now we will be cleaning our gas stove. So first we will remove the food particles. So here I am using a tissue, but you can use a cloth also. Okay, so I will be first cleaning all these food particles. Baking soda, the more greasier area, more where the stains are more, I will be adding baking soda. And I think baking soda is very cheap than any other cleaning supplies. So if you can afford, then I think it will be pocket friendly also for you guys. dishwashing liquid. Okay, any dishwashing liquid will work. Vinegar. See, I'm adding the vinegar and it is reacting. Okay, let it be like this for at least 10 minutes. Okay, and then we will be cleaning it. This brush, and then I will be using one toothbrush also. Okay, so with a plastic brush, okay friends, I have cleaned with both the brushes. Everything I have cleaned. Let's see how much it is cleaned, or we can repeat the step again, the same steps again. Okay, so I'll remove both the brushes and first with the tissue only I will be cleaning. Yeah, you can use a cloth. I am just wanting to finish the work, so I'm using tissue. Now with one wet cloth again I will clean this. Now friend, with the wet cloth I am cleaning it. Clean. I can zoom and show you. See how clean it is. See, it's clean. Okay, now I'll clean the burners. So friends, now I will be cleaning these things. The burners. I'm already cleaning the burners. Okay friends, I will be putting all the things back. So first I will be cleaning the burners. Yeah, putting this also grill. Please at least wipe once and then keep.